कोई धक्का नहीं मारेगा रे आगे। कहाँ पे रे? वो सेटिंग क्या लगा? राहुल सर, राहुल सर, राहुल सर, राहुल सर, राहुल सर।
The Legislative Assembly, as a Deputy Speaker of the House, it is my duty to receive it.
Any interaction between you and him
I
and
have
all?
not met him after that. I escorted him to the Chief Minister's chamber. So he came on a courtesy visit to our Honorable Chief Minister, who was unwell. Still he comes in the house. It's a great thing. And Rahul Gandhi is a leader of Indian National Congress, plus he is one of the leaders who roams all over the world also. So he is a world leader. So when we talk about world leaders, we have to give them that much of respect.
So as a
Discussion can just
inquiry held.
to inquire about his health and give his best wishes.
You meeting Rahul Gandhi, anything, something worked out? Just as a Deputy Speaker, you
I have received him in this August House as a Deputy Speaker of the House and interacted him for 1 or 2 minutes on the way.
So what was the interaction? Anything
there is no
good?
interaction.
Just normal?
It is very normal.